Imagine stepping onto your balcony and being greeted by a vibrant garden. Fresh vegetables and colorful flowers surround you. This can be your reality with balcony gardening. Balcony gardening is perfect for people who live in apartments or have limited space. You can grow fresh food and beautiful flowers right outside your door. It's a rewarding hobby that brings joy and delicious rewards. Balcony gardens are easy to start and maintain. You don't need a lot of space or experience. All you need are containers, soil, seeds, and a little bit of sunshine. Imagine stepping onto your balcony and harvesting fresh herbs for dinner. Picture yourself relaxing amidst the beauty of your very own floral oasis. Balcony gardening makes these dreams a reality. Let's get started. The first step in creating your balcony garden is choosing the right containers. You can use almost anything that holds soil. Pots, tubs, boxes, and even recycled containers work well. Think about the size and depth of the container. Larger containers hold more soil and provide ample space for root growth. Consider the material of the container. Plastic pots are lightweight and affordable. Terracotta pots are porous, allowing for good air circulation. Wooden containers add a natural aesthetic but require occasional treatment to prevent rotting. Hanging baskets are perfect for cascading flowers or trailing strawberries. Get creative and choose containers that reflect your style. The next step is choosing the right soil and seeds for your balcony garden. Use a high-quality potting mix specifically designed for containers. These mixes are lightweight, drain well, and provide essential nutrients. Avoid using garden soil, which can become compacted and hinder drainage in containers. When choosing seeds, select varieties that are well suited for container growing. Look for compact varieties that won't outgrow your pots. Consider your balcony's sunlight exposure. Some plants thrive in full sun, while others prefer partial shade. Try growing easy-to-grow herbs like basil, mint, and parsley. Cherry tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers are also great choices for beginners. Watering is crucial for the success of your balcony garden. Containers dry out faster than garden beds, so you'll need to water more frequently, especially during hot weather. Check the moisture level of the soil daily by sticking your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Water deeply, allowing the water to reach the roots. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Ensure your containers have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Consider using a watering can with a gentle rose for even watering. You can also use a hose with a spray nozzle, but be careful not to blast the soil and damage delicate plants. Composting is a fantastic way to reduce waste and provide your plants with nutrient-rich fertilizer. Start a small compost bin on your balcony to recycle kitchen scraps like fruit peels, vegetable scraps, and coffee grounds. Compost enriches the soil, improves drainage, and promotes healthy plant growth. Companion planting is another beneficial technique for balcony gardens. Certain plants naturally repel pests or attract beneficial insects when planted together. For example, planting basil alongside tomatoes helps repel tomato hornworms. Marigolds deter aphids and other common garden pests. Research companion planting combinations to maximize the health and productivity of your balcony garden. Just like us, plants need nutrients to thrive. Container gardens require regular fertilization because nutrients get depleted as plants absorb them. Choose a balanced, slow-release fertilizer specifically formulated for container gardens. Slow-release fertilizers provide nutrients gradually over time, ensuring a consistent supply for your plants. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer packaging carefully. Over-fertilizing can be just as harmful as under-fertilizing. Consider using organic fertilizers, which are made from natural sources and are better for the environment. Worm castings, compost tea, and fish emulsion are excellent organic fertilizer options. Choosing your crops is one of the most exciting aspects of balcony gardening. The options are endless. Herbs are a great choice for beginners. They're relatively easy to grow and add fresh flavor to your dishes. Basil, mint, parsley, cilantro, and oregano are all well suited for containers. Vegetables also thrive in containers. Cherry tomatoes, lettuce, spinach, radishes, and peppers are compact varieties that are perfect for balcony gardens. If you have a sunny spot, try growing strawberries or blueberries in hanging baskets. They add a touch of sweetness and visual appeal to your garden. Sunlight is essential for plant growth. Most vegetables require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day to thrive. Assess your balcony's sunlight exposure throughout the day. If you have a south-facing balcony, you'll have ample sunlight. East-facing balconies receive morning sun, while west-facing balconies receive afternoon sun. Choose plants that are suitable for your balcony's sunlight conditions. If you have limited sunlight, select shade-tolerant varieties like lettuce, spinach, or kale. You can also use mirrors or reflective surfaces to redirect sunlight onto your plants. Consider the changing seasons and how they affect sunlight patterns. Understanding your local climate and planting zones is crucial for successful balcony gardening. Planting zones indicate the average minimum winter temperatures in your area. Knowing your zone helps you choose plants that are cold-hardy enough to survive the winter. Frost dates are equally important. The last spring, frost date indicates the average date when the last frost occurs in the spring. The first fall frost date indicates the average date when the first frost occurs in the fall. Protect tender plants from frost by bringing them indoors or covering them with frost blankets. Congratulations on starting your balcony gardening journey. Remember to choose the right containers, soil, and seeds for your space. Water your plants regularly and fertilize them appropriately. Embrace composting and companion planting to enhance your garden's health and productivity. Select plants that are suitable for your balcony's sunlight exposure and your local climate. Protect your plants from frost by knowing your last spring frost and first fall frost dates. Most importantly, enjoy the process of watching your garden grow and savor the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Happy gardening!